Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of microgreens. These tiny, nutrient-packed plants are easy to grow, incredibly nutritious, and offer a profitable opportunity. Let's get started. Microgreens are young vegetable greens, harvested just after the first true leaves develop. They're packed with flavor, vibrant in color, and rich in nutrients. Popular varieties include radish, sunflower, broccoli, and pea shoots. Microgreens are incredibly nutritious. They contain higher nutrient levels than mature vegetables, including vitamins C, E, and K. Adding microgreens to your diet can boost your health and enhance your immune system. Growing microgreens is simple. Here's how. First, choose your seeds. Select high-quality organic seeds. Next, prepare your tray by filling a shallow tray with seed starting mix. Then, sow the seeds by sprinkling them evenly across the surface. After that, water and cover by misting the seeds and covering the tray. Provide light by placing the tray in a sunny spot or under grow lights. Finally, harvest your microgreens in 7 to 14 days by cutting just above the soil. Microgreens are versatile. Add them to salads, soups, sandwiches, and smoothies for a nutrient boost and a burst of flavor. Microgreens offer a profitable business opportunity. Here's how to start selling. Begin with packaging. Use airtight containers to keep them fresh. Then, reach out by contacting local stores and restaurants. Build relationships by delivering fresh, high-quality microgreens. Finally, market your product. Promote on social media and at farmers markets to attract more customers. Growing microgreens is easy, nutritious, and profitable. Whether boosting your health or starting a business, microgreens are a fantastic option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!